Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today will be my first post of 2021, though haven't done that much. So this is gonna be an All-Star Tower Defense tier list, as you see. Alright, starting off with Ace. So let's explain this. God tier is where you need to get on leaderboard, and then really good for infinite mode, maybe leaderboard, and then so on and so forth. You guys know how to say I put Goku there, and then I put Minato. That means Goku, in my opinion, is better than Minato, so let's just put them back down. Alright, so right here we have Ace, and I'm gonna put him in S tier, because he's really good for story and infinite mode, but not that good for infinite mode. Alright. Because I'm gonna put him in A tier. If he had but he does Minato damage when he's maxed. But since he has such small range, just putting him in A. All Might is when he used to be good, but he's definitely a B tier. Broly, I'll put in front of All Might. Bulma's just, you need Bulma. You need Bulma. Deku, same thing, started with All Might when all these new characters came out. Dio, I'm gonna put him behind Ace for one reason only. Mr. Doflamingo. Doflamingo is really good because he attacks every 0.7 seconds, which means he does mega damage, even though he only does about 200 when he's maxed level 80 and everything else maxed. So I'm gonna put him right behind Akaza. Aaron, I'm gonna put him behind Mr. Flim Flam, as most of you guys know, but Doflamingo to me, he's just so good. So Erwin, I know y'all are like, Erwin belongs in S plus tier, right? Some of you guys are like that, but no, he's God tier, because if you want to get on the leaderboard, you have to have Erwin. I don't care. Frieza, just not good at all. Every 9 seconds does 100 damage. Fujitora, on the other hand, will go in S tier because of his full AoE and his ability. Alright, y'all know Krillin is godly. No, I wouldn't say he's in F tier. He's definitely in D tier. Gogeta, gonna have to put him right in front of Akaza and these three. He's just good, but he costs so much. And I'm putting him. Actually, let's put him behind Doflamingo, because you need Goku and a Vegeta. Any Vegeta, say you had this Vegeta and this Goku, then you could have Gogeta. But if you don't have those, you're just screwed. Gray, not that good of a unit. He's better than Frieza, but he's not as good as these guys. Goku just absolute dumpster garbage. Goes right there. Minato I'll put in front of Gray, because he does do 200 damage, but he's not AoE like Gray is. But still, he attacks just faster than Gray and does more damage than Gray. So next we got Godspeed Killua. Put him in between Broly and All Might. Hawks is just trash. Just gonna do that. Ichigo is better than Hawk, so let's do that. It's because Hawk's he's a ground unit, but since he was one of the first, same with Ichigo, they just don't do any damage. When Ichigo, since I'm pretty sure I had Ichigo, And he did, 500 damage when he was level 41, but still, that's pretty trash. Plus, he attacks every 4 seconds, just not good. Jinbei, he's worth, he's just right here in between those two. Jotaro, on the other hand, I'm gonna have to put him right behind Deku because of his time stop. Kaido, not that good, so I'll put him right there. I know most of you guys are gonna be like, but he's a leaderboard unit, blah, 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 blah. I don't care. How about Kakashi? Yeah, Kakashi should go right there. Kanaki's just garbage. He doesn't need to just eat him. He's worse than Krillin. Yoshikage Kira, not good at all. Put him right behind Gray. Kirito, there's a lot of people going in C tier. I'll put him right in front of right behind Jotaro, because he takes so long, but he does a decent amount of damage if you get him for your first 5-star. Gear 4th Luffy, he's like an All Might, but I'm gonna put him right in between, right behind Eren. Mina, just not good unless you, where'd she go? Oh, there. She's just not good unless you have Nezuko. Same with Toga. But I'll put Toga behind Hawks because she does so much damage and so little. Alright, Megumi. She's like a mini light, so I'll put her. She's like a rip-off light. Mihawk, you just need him for leaderboard. Just need him. Nami, you'll go right in front of Broly, because you also give money. Naruto, you're just back right down there, because they for all the Naruto fans out there, they just did disrespect on you guys, except for Minato and Sasuke right here. Dilly done respected you. Nezuko is god tier, just so good. Obito. I don't know about Obito, in fact. He's probably right behind Luffy because of how slow his pain is, just absolute dumpster garbage. Because, see, he does absolutely no damage, and he takes forever. Flaming Tiger, also known as Rengoku. I'd say he's probably right behind, right behind Akaza, cause he's only single target. Rukia is just not that good, so I'll put her right in front of Minato. Wind Hashira. He is really good, so I'm just gonna put him right in front of Fujitora. Sasuke right behind the crazy wind Hashira. Stark used to be good. It's his seconds per attack. It's just not good, so he's behind Megumin. Alright, Tanjiro used to be good. It's like Jinbei and Naruto. Does bleeding. I think they meant it for Nezuko. Yeah, Alright, Vegeta. He has a nice AoE cone. And just really good overall. Whis, you're just not gonna use him. Whitebeard. I'd say he's on par with like Rukia, maybe in front of Rukia. Light, just need him for everything, honestly. Zenitsu's definitely behind. Gojo. you need him. Here, let's put him right in front of Nezuko. No, right there. Frieza, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. And then Minato. If you're looking to beat freaking sorry about my dog. You see, if you're wanting, you could like switch in Gojo for someone, because you do need a time stop. Like one of your friends could have like Erwin or something. So, and then Natsu, you definitely could have. He's definitely God. And not really good, so I'm gonna put him like right there behind Obito. And that'll be it for today, and I'll post tomorrow. Bye.